What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Alchemy Pay, which has pumped up over 10% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just under 4 cents in target. And as you can see, the trading volume has also gone up by over 400% guys, meaning it's getting a lot of interest right now, a lot of attention. So we're going to be looking at where is Alchemy Pay heading to next. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down in value? And also mainly looking at, is it time to buy it? Is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher? And also, as usual, going through its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023. How high can ACH go? And is it a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I'll be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and as you can see, the market is down over 1.6% in the last 24 hours. However, we do have ACH as the top gainer in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour itself, it has dropped over a percentage. Over the last day, 12%. Over the week, 21%. It's been quite volatile, but overall it has been moving towards a positive direction, which is good news. And over the month, just about 11%. Nothing major, but it is moving upwards, and hopefully we should see more increases over the coming days, weeks, and months as well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up majorly, and right now it is $163 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money currently being traded on Alchemy Pay. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it right now. As I mentioned earlier, it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, as it is one of the top gainers. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Alchemy Pay, which is here in purple at 0.03577 cents. However, we can see it trading at a slightly higher value here in red at 0.03763 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But as usual guys, before I get into all of that stuff, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Alchemy Pay to be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. However, it's not going to be a major drop. It's going to be very minimal. In fact, I'm expecting it to pump up in value a little bit higher over the coming hours before it starts to drop back down later on. Very late today and early hours of tomorrow, slowly starts to drop that back down in value, down to about 0.035 to 0.036 cents in target, which is again not a major drop, but it is an overall minimal decrease in value. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Clearly, we've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite directions to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from Alchemy Pay over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Alchemy Pay to be more or less trading just about the 4 cents target. Again, it's going to go way above 4 cents, drop below the 4 cents target in between those times, but by the end of this week and early next week, we should be seeing Alchemy Pay more or less trading around 4 cents with very minimal dips and peaks in between, just like how it's been performing over the last week or two. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, we're still looking quite well. We've got the blue line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is literally flat out going in a straight line. It's not looking bullish or bearish, meaning an overall minimal increase in value is what is expected from Alchemy Pay over the next 4 to 6 weeks. So mid to late May 2023, I'm expecting an overall increase in value from Alchemy Pay, potentially trading around the 7 to 8 cents target is where I'm expecting Alchemy Pay to be trading at by mid to late May 2023, depending of course on how the crypto market performs. For example, if there's a major crypto crash or a bull run or a price pump, these things will have a major impact not just on the value of Alchemy Pay but the crypto market in general. And as you can see, Bitcoin is slowly heading up to $30,000. So if we do manage to go past that, we should see more green candles on the crypto market in general, which also includes Alchemy Pay. But yeah, we're going to have to take it at a slow and steady pace, but at the moment is looking quite good for Alchemy Pay and the crypto market in general. And again, dips are always part of the process. Just because it's going to go up in value, it doesn't mean we're not going to see any red candles. Of course we are. It is cryptocurrency, guys. At the end of the day, it's a very volatile market. Do expect dips in between red candles, but as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. And at this point, we are heading upwards for Alchemy Pay. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone. However, we did get very close to hitting the green zone here back in mid to late February, which was just about a month and a half ago. As you can see, we resisted here at its value of 5 cents and then dropped back down, peaked back up, right now dropping back down, and we should be heading back up to the resistance target here of 5 cents over the next couple of weeks. So as I mentioned earlier, late April to early May, we should be heading to the resistance target, and at this point we should be breaking out and heading into the green zone by mid to late May 2023. So essentially trading in the green zone is what I'm expecting by late May, and also by mid-year we should be also be able to hit this target here and heading into the dark green zone, heading to about 10 cents by mid to late year 2023. But again, if you guys want regular updates on Alchemy Pay, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Alchemy Pay, guys. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, when is this crypto likely to hit 10 cents? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And if you guys have any other cryptos in mind that you guys want me to cover on this channel, comment them down below and I'll be doing that for you guys. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.